Reality is what is possible. Does giving birth to a human being using only a female without a Y chromosome explain how Mary gave birth to a baby without a father and how the female ape mentioned in the Sumerian tablets interbred with the advanced human race? And why our eyes are colored? Blue, yellow and red are the primary colors. The eye color of the advanced human race used for the hybrid was blue. That's why Hitler wanted to eliminate blue-eyed people by accepting them as the Aryan race. Because according to the sky god Jews, blue-eyed blonde people carried the blood genes of those who came from the sky. And that's why, until yesterday, those with dark eyes and skin were used as slaves. That's why hairy bodies were not liked. Because the eye color of the monkey group is also brown-black. Brown color is formed by mixing yellow-red-black. It is not a primary color. If all this is true, there really was a genetic intervention. On the other hand, as it is known, the chromosome number of monkeys is 48 and that of humans is 46. 22 of them contain XX and XY, one of which determines gender. The XY male chromosome cannot have come from a male monkey. If it had, the baby would have most likely been a monkey. It seems certain that XY came from that blue-eyed, advanced race. There are 64 codons in the DNA of these chromosomes. In normal people like us, 20 of them are active. Because of the stop codon, the ones after 20 do not work, but other codons can be activated with a mutation or external intervention. You may have heard the news recently that children born with 24 codons open are immune to AIDS from birth. Thanks to the information encoded in the DNA within the 22 common chromosomes, we share the characteristics, thoughts of both the Aryan race and the apes. That's why our instincts contain the principle of opposition: good bad, strong weak, intelligent stupid, conscientious unconscionable, etc. This also explains why our fingerprints are different. If we had the same kind of ancestors, we would be born as uniform creatures with the same characteristics. For example, all the chicks born from 2 white hens and a rooster will also be white when they grow up, or the offspring of 2 black goats and a billy goat will also be black, etc. It is written in Sumerian tablets that for a period the god Enki fertilized the females living on earth and was despised by the other gods for this reason. A similar expression also appears in the Torah, see Genesis 6:4. Because females are used as tools by male gods, advanced Aryan race humans carrying the XY chromosome, they are always despised and humiliated by the Jewish men who worship them. I think that's why homosexuality is so prevalent among Jewish men and why they equate women with animals. All of this is either absolute truth, a coincidence, or these Jews are truly an obsessive nation. Sad face. If they are right in their case, a second Aryan racial separation project will be carried out, but I do not know what the criteria will be this time. Because technology has developed and changed a lot, my guess is that there will be an elimination based on blood types.